Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Kiran and I am from Team 3. My other teammates are Ashok, Saidajasvi and Pratap. We did a project called Blogger Local in which we implemented a semantic search engine in which the user submits a post and as well as he can search his particular post using the semantic search engine. In this particular project, we have implemented the following workflow diagram in which the user submits a post and then we read that particular post as input and then we did lemmatization, finding the root word, and then we did tokenization and stop word removal, and then we did TF-IDF, finding the top frequency words, and then we did WordNet, finding the synonyms of those words, and then we have saved these particular synonyms as tags, and then we used these tags finding the particular post requested by the user. So when the user submits a post, we have given that particular post an LDA model in which the LDA has categorized the topics, as well as we have used the naive Bayes model in which we trained our model based on the datasets available. So by comparing those two, we predicted under which category the post falls under. So based on that, we created an ontology. So coming to the basic homepage, this is the basic homepage how it looks like, where the user can submit his post using the file upload option as well as static data, where he can has to write the particular post here or here. For time saving purpose, I have saved some posts over here in the database. So these are all the posts available in the database. Let us say if person wants to search a particular post using the semantic search engine, he can go here and search a particular post. So let us say I am searching a post which contains the word great. So these are all the two posts in which the great word contains. So along with that, we have implemented some other search engines using APIs. The first one is Google search engine, where the person can actually go and search for anything over here. So these are all the links available where the actual person can go and search his data, as well as this is a particular place we can search something over the blog. So these are all the posts in which the create word contains, as well as the user can use the Wikipedia option to search anything over the Wikipedia. He can use the speech to text conversion for using this Wikipedia search engine, as well as we use GitHub search engine over here, where the user can submit his username or his friend's username to find what are all the repositories available in his address, as well as we use Twitter search engine, where the user can type a name and can see what are the recent posts, recent tweets the person has given. So after submitting the post, the user can go here and submit his post for seeing the ontology. So after submitting to the ontology, the user can go here. So these are all the files from which we have trained our naive Bayes model. These are the posts in which the user actually submitted here. So after execution of this code, we have developed an OWL file which actually looks like this by looking in the web OWL. So in this, the recent post will be added to the topic based on the LDA categorized topics. These are all the topics I have classified. So these are all the 7 topics the LDA has categorized. These are the semantic search engine ontology. So after ontology, we have run a Sparkle query on this ontology by using the Apache Jana Fuseki. So this is the actual OWL file which we have uploaded to the Apache Jana Fuseki, and when we run this query, these are all the subject predicate objects on which the user in which our ontology contains. Our ontology almost contains 5424 triples, I mean subject, predicate and objects.